Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Coding Tricks. This is Sanjeev Malviya here and I am back with few more interesting and exciting stuff. So in our last tutorial we have seen some useful features of Sublime Text Editor and today we are going to learn few more important features of HTML5. First of all, let me tell you, HTML5 was released on October 2014 and since we can say that it's been a long time but still most of the people are actually unaware of features of HTML5 and are using the same old features of HTML4. Basically, HTML5 introduced few new but exciting semantic elements so that it will give some meaning to space structure. Why semantic elements? Because with HTML4 developers were using their own class ID names to style elements such as header, footer, menu, sidebar, container, etc. And this made it impossible for search engines to identify the correct web page content. But now with HTML5 semantic element support, this will become easier. So now let's start with elements of HTML5. Okay, now let's get started. First, I am going to give you a brief overview of HTML5 elements and then we will move to several new input types. Figure and fig caption. Figure caption is used to add a visual explanation to an image, where figure element is used to mark up a photo in a document, and fig caption element defines the caption for that figure element. Let me give you an example. First of all, we have to create a HTML file. So here we are going to create a demo.html. Now create a basic template for HTML5. Okay. Now move to the body section. Okay, this is the figure element and inside this figure element we are going to create fig caption element. Okay, done. So to use the image we have to use the img, or use the figure we have to use the img element, and fig caption is used to give a caption to that particular image. So we are going to use a image. Let's get an image. Okay, copy it over here .jpg. Now give some width and height 200 and 200, it will be enough. Now let's see what's the output. Okay, here we can see the image. Now we are going to give a caption to that particular image. Figure 1 photography logo sample. Okay, done. Now here you can see the caption just under the image. Okay, remember that fig caption element must be embedded within the figure element. Okay, so the next one, article elements specify independent self-contained content. We can use this element for forum post, blog post, or newspaper articles. Section, it defines section in document. You can use section and article or vice versa. For example, in news channel there are more than one sections that are available, such as sports, lifestyle, crime, etc. So by using section element we can separate them all by their name and purpose. Okay, header and footer, it specifies header and footer for document or section respectively. Basically, as name suggests, header element defines header section for the site, for example navbar, and the footer element defines the footer section for the site, for example footer menu. Audio and video. Audio and video tag are used to embed audio or video file. So by using HTML5, now we don't need to rely on third-party services to play audio or video file, thanks to HTML5. Mark. Mark element is used to highlight the text. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so here we are going to mark this photography text. Okay. Now here you can see the photography is highlighted. Okay. Okay. So the next one, nav. It is basically used for creating navbar or defining the set of navigation links. Now you don't need to use div for creating the navbar because HTML5 gives you its own semantic element. Aside. Aside element defines some content aside from content it is placed in. For example, a sidebar menu. Okay, these are the few elements of HTML5. Okay friends, this is the end of this tutorial, and so in the next tutorial we will see few new input types of HTML5. Okay, bye bye, take care, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.